Now let's learn how to enable one-handed mode. If we enable this one-handed mode, we can use our mobile easily using one hand. Let's learn how to enable this. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this and go to advanced features option. You can enable this one-handed mode in here. Okay, now this option is enabled, but we can change this option enable methods. Click on this one-handed mode name. After, you can view these two options, gesture method and button method. If we use this gesture method, you can view a preview in here. We want to enable this one-handed mode like this. We want to swap our screen bottom like this. After, we can open this one-handed mode. Now we can use our mobile using one hand easily like this. We can move this screen to other side like this. If you want to exit on this one-handed mode, we can tap our screen blank area like this. Now I enable button method. If we enable this button method, we want to double tap on our home screen. After, easily we can enable this one-handed mode. If you like to use this one-handed mode, I recommend to use button method because it is very easy to enable one-handed mode.